Hey gang, it's me again, Uncle Todd here. So take a look at episode 2 of She-Hulk, Attorney at Law. This episode goes straight sitcom. Starts out right where it left off, where after the disruption at the court, Jen, unfortunately, is let go by the DA's office, and the case had to be called a mistrial because her actions in saving the jury would have colored their decision. Makes sense. And she's having trouble finding a job at another legal firm. And then she gets to have dinner with her family, and that is a real sitcom trope there, where everything is horrible. Oh, her dad is played by the guy who played Cousin Larry on Perfect Strangers back in the 80s. Anyway, he gives her a little heartfelt pep talk. Excuse me. After all the family's done all the usual things. Hey, what are you with Hawkeye's arrows? Does he pick them up? Or, I mean, you can't just leave them laying around, right? Things like that. Asking her all these stupid questions she can't answer. But after the pep talk, while she's drowning her sorrows at a bar, the head of the firm she was prosecuting wants to hire her. And she accepts without even thinking about it, because she needs a job. And then she finds out she's to head up the superhero division. And she's to be She-Hulk in the office, in the court, meeting clients. And her first client is Emil Blonsky, the Abomination. The guy who tried to kill Bruce. She's reluctant, but the head of the firm makes it extremely obvious. If she doesn't take the case, she doesn't have a job. And so he tells her to go meet with Blonsky before making her decision. And she meets with him, and he seems contrite. He doesn't want to be Abomination anymore. He's sent apologies to all his victims, even one to Bruce, with a very heartfelt haiku. Love that part. And he also makes big of the fact that he was a decorated soldier. And he would never have had that rampage in Harlem if he hadn't been pumped full of their super soldier formula. And Jen's kind of on the fence, but she calls Bruce. He tells her to go ahead and do it. She does, and she accepts. And then footage of Abomination from the Shang-Chi movie fighting Long in the tournaments has been released. And so they want to know how the heck he's been escaping prison. And that's where they leave the episode, with her going, well, crap, that sucks. A very fun episode. Not a lot of She-Hulk antics. One of the funnier ones was she shows up at the prison and is told she can't be She-Hulk in the prison, no superpowers allowed, so she has to, after going through all the trouble to find shoes that fit, she has to shrink back down. But yeah, a lot of good humor in this one. Really looking forward to seeing her in court, because that's really going to be interesting. Well, that's all I have to say about this episode. I'll talk to you next time. Please hit like, share, and subscribe.